You can now use Nano Banana for free as many times as you want inside Kittl Flows, that you can generate as many images, edits, or mockups as you want. No AI token limits, no usage caps, just pure, legit creative freedom for 5 days for pro and expert users from September 29th to October 3rd. And if you've never heard of Nano Banana, it's Google's photo editor that is 1,000,000 times easier to use than Photoshop, because you can just tell it exactly what you want it to do. I've been a graphic designer for over 20 years and I've sold a few 100,000 t-shirts online, so when I say this tool is awesome, I mean it. Kittl has never done this before, so it's the perfect time to upgrade to Pro with my 25% off coupon. But let's look at some amazing use cases, obviously including some print on demand, and I'm going to show you why it's an absolute game changer. It can turn any idea into quality output. I've done this a few times in our Design Duel series with Juna, as well as in a design tutorial when I took a crappy sketch and turned it into an awesome t-shirt design. First up is idiot-proof image editing. It allows Photoshop level edits with simple text instructions. You just type in the box whatever you want it to do. It's also up to 10 times faster, and most requests finish in about 10 to 30 seconds compared to 90 seconds plus with Chat-GPT. Then we've got the consistency, right? So you know that in Chat-GPT, for example, if you tried to get it to edit something, it regenerates the entire thing and usually screws up the initial parts of the image that you didn't want to change at all. And if you wanted to change a mockup with one of your POD designs on it, it changed the design also, which totally sucked. And in one case over here, I have a design that I just tried to get it to remove the skull and crossbones here. And it said it wasn't able to, gave me an error, so I tried it again, removed the skull and crossbones. Then it said I wasn't able to edit this image because of content policies. Do you want me to walk you through how to remove the skull and crossbones yourself in Kittl? It actually suggested Kittl, so there you have it. It's also much cheaper at 10 tokens per generation, which is ideal for, constant or frequent changes that we make as POD sellers. It's also free right now. Plus, it's got way better mockups and realistic placement with perspective and actual folds, so it looks like a smart mockup. And it keeps the logos consistent. All right, so check this out. This is absolutely insane. So you've got the character consistency here. So these are Kittl's examples. So you've got the artboard, you drop an image on it, and then you just have this little arrow that you can hover over here, or you can come up here and click Smartboard and it'll populate a next one. And then you just click on it, type in your prompt. So in this case, they wrote capture a candid moment where she is genuinely laughing, maintaining the original photography style and lighting conditions for consistency. Ensure the expression is natural, joyful, with authentic emotional engagement. And then it just populated that. Then we went off of this one and clicked on an arrow. It created a new box, and I'll show you what I mean here. You just create this, it'll create a new box, and you can see this little line attached to it. So now we can add our own prompt in it too. But it built this one with this prompt, create the image of a woman screaming loudly, her eyes closed with both hands covering her ears, based off of this one. Then we created this one based off of that one and depict her in a state of profound sadness with tears streaming down her face, capturing the raw emotion and depth of her sorrow. And if I just zoom in here, you can actually see that there are tears coming down her face. Pretty incredible. So then we can, for example, now create something else. So maybe put her hand on her forehead. Perfect. This is insane. It kept the exact same style and character and only changed what I asked it to. Up next, they have product mockups here, and this is right inside of Kittl's Nano Banana guide. So you start with a logo. They created a smartboard off this logo. Enhance the fast food packaging mockup with an editorial style, focusing on a branded paper bag, the bag being exchanged between two hands through a car window. Goes on to say, frame the scene tightly, cinematic, blah, blah, blah. And you can just type a simple prompt and then hover over here, you'll see enhance prompt and it'll turn into something epic. But look at this. And then the second one here, maintain the same photography and art direction style, repositioning the paper bag on a glossy hood of the car. Add a branded open burger box beside it, showcasing delicious burger with visible appetizing details, and that turned out awesome. So, I mean, that looks pretty friggin' incredible. Next up here, you have creating a series or variations of illustrations or designs in the same style. So they started with this one, and then they asked this one to create a male character in the same illustration style of him walking casually while holding a cup of coffee. Next, same illustration style with curly hair in a dynamic skateboarding pose. Her pants should be baggy and her shirt should be white. Bingo bango. Now moving on to something that is a little more relevant to us as PODers. So you've got a design here. All I did was create a smartboard here and say, place this design on an oversized white t-shirt worn by a model with short bleached hair, sunglasses, and casual jeans, positioned with her back to the camera. Then on the next one, now the model needs to have dark curly hair and no sunglasses. It changed the model's hair and sunglasses. And now this one to this one, literally give the model bleached buzz cut hairstyle and add sunglasses. This is literally the exact same mock-up here. They just changed the demographic entirely. They did some here that I thought were amazing, so I wanted to try my own. So you'll see here where it's 2 images, right? It's just their original artboard. Created a smartboard off it, and you can see if I move this, you can see this little line here, so it's attached because it's a smartboard. Their prompt is to take those 2 people and make them pose together for a selfie. Decided I'd put it to the test and see what happens. So I created my artboard with our 2 images, take those 2 people and make them pose for a selfie. Look at that. This is insane, right? We went from these 2 to this. I didn't ask it to put us outside. It did. I think it looks awesome. Then we took this one of Stacy and I on a pontoon tiki boat sunset cruise, and I asked it to make them at the beach. And I just wanted to show you I can do this again here. So if we just click on here, I'll show you it in actual motion. I can just click on smartboard or hover over this, and it's trying to populate one down here. So I can just click on this and we can time it in real time. So getting started, 14 seconds, and you can see how fast this actually happens here compared to if we were using Chat-GPT, for example. It's kind of ridiculous. So look at that, completely different option here. It didn't even take a full 15, and we are at the beach, and it looks amazing. It's a beautiful long beach. We're at sunset. It even gave this glow over the shoulder here, which is insane. What I liked about this one initially too is that it kind of, it was a little bit blown out here because of the terrible photography. I mean, you're taking a picture into the sun, and it made it look so much better, so it wasn't kind of blown out as much. And it removed the little green dot that was on my arm here. Gone. Put us at the beach, and now this one at the beach here. So that's pretty sweet. I'm pretty excited about this. This is going to be an absolute game changer. So much so that I took it one step further. And if you guys didn't know, Stacy and I are creating our own piratey themed gift shop and print shop. So we're actually going to sell our own merch as well. We have a brand called Get Shipwrecked, and we're opening a shop here on the island called The Lost Anchor, and we wanted to get inspired as to what we could make this potentially look like. So we took a picture here of our shop, and I'm going to walk you through every single one of these here. So this is the original shop. This is a picture we just took of the spot we're renting out on the beach here, and I created a smartboard, and we want to turn this into a pirate themed nautical kind of gift shop, and we're going to sell some merch in it that we actually print ourselves. So I created a smartboard, and the instructions here were please change the color of the building to a more muted navy. We're trying to go nautical here, right? So look at this. It did nothing but change this to navy. Looks amazing already. Then we went to the next one here, which was please add some thick rope loosely around the poles and some fishing nets under the roof for a more nautical vibe. Add some crates and a barrel on the left with a pirate hat on. So we're going to use this kind of area here as a display. It's going to act as like pseudo shelving. So it's not just going to be sitting there kind of in the way, but it really cool. It looks the part. The whole vibe is going to be like this nautical cargo ship kind of docking area, right? Then in this one, I said change the red poles to match the navy building. So we went from this obnoxious red here to navy, and this thing looks amazing. Then I just wanted to get a bigger picture, so let's get rid of the bike, right? So click over here. It says please add a pirate flag on the right of the roof and remove the bicycle. So it added the pirate flag here and removed the bike. You can see down here, there's a bicycle sitting here and there's no flag. Looks amazing. And for this one, I wanted it to look a little bit more like a dock. So please add a cluster of 4 wood log posts in varying heights, wrapped together in rope on the right. How cool does that look? Next up, we need a sign. Please add a sign hanging from the roof that says The Lost Anchor in an old pirate font. How cool is this? This is pretty incredible to me. Really getting an idea for what this place is going to look like, right? Of course, now we need some shirts on this. So add t-shirts on the left side of the wall behind the crates and barrel. And I didn't tell it to do anything here, but it gave me some Jolly Rogers, some Skull and Crossbones, and even one with an anchor. It just knows, it gets the vibe. Like, this is mind-blowing here. And then Stacy went on and added another one here that she sent via WhatsApp to me. So this was just a blank empty space inside the shop. It's a small shop, and she just turned it into a t-shirt display and some boutique-y type elements here with some hanging candles, some cargo netting, fish netting on the top again, some spools to make it look really cool, some rope spools. Gonna totally look the part with some more wood crates, kind of set up how I intended for the outside. Wooden shelving. So this is going to look pretty cool, but pretty amazing to me. And look how cool this is. So we went from this red kind of, vibrant red building that just didn't really look the part, turned it into this kind of navy and natural nautical weathered pirate shop. I am stoked. And if this doesn't get your juices flowing in terms of creativity, I mean, I don't know what will. Imagine now that you are potentially an interior designer. You can just take an image of the customer's or client's house, even like we're talking high-end stuff here, turned over in minutes, right? This all took under 10 minutes to generate, which is insane. You can go from concept to completion for your interior design clients, and then you can offer them a myriad of home decor products to match as well, like through Printify or through any kind of POD or something like that, right? So make sure you take advantage from the 29th to the 3rd of Kittl's free unlimited use of Nano Banana and get some photo editing done, create some new logos, create unlimited mockups for all your existing designs as well. And make sure you use my link down below and coupon code for 25% off your pro subscription. Have fun with this. This is mind-blowing.